Hey guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our videos and hit that bell for notifications. Also, head on over to our Instagram page and follow us there, and check out our Facebook page for all our updated content. Thanks. Welcome to Cornell Marine Program's Digital Learning Podcast. My name is Rory McNish, and I'm the host of this show. This morning, Mr. C is coming to help me clean out my shop. I told him if he helps me, when we're all done, I'm going to serve him watermelon. Well, I'm usually the one that never can resist free food, but on a hot summer day like today, I know Mark will not turn down watermelon. You know, watermelon generally doesn't have seeds anymore. And when I was a kid, it was fun. That was the biggest part of it, was eating the watermelon and flicking the seeds at my brother. I'm just going to go check and see if Mark's here.
Hey, Rory's house.
Oh, he's here. Mark, what's up, man?
Hey, Rory, I made it.
All right. Good to see you, man. Good. Oh, man, Mark. I'm so glad you can come.
Oh, yeah, I'm glad to be here.
Yeah, I got you here because I wanted to talk to you a little bit about some of this hazardous, what I feel is like hazardous waste, household waste.
Okay.
And as I was cleaning my shop up, I found some stuff that I'm not sure about. And I've got some more over in my cabinet.
Okay, good.
So, some of this stuff,
Okay.
it's getting empty.
Yep.
This,
All right.
this, I'm not sure about.
Okay.
And again, I'm not really sure. These are a lot of the things that I use for my framing and different things like that.
Yeah, we'll check them out.
So, all right, cool.
Rory and all those viewers out there, it's really important that we take these old paint cans and oil or oil filters and other household chemicals to the recycling center. According to the Environmental Protection Agency, Americans throw out about 1.6 million tons of household hazardous waste a year that really need to be recycled. A lot of this waste accumulates in people's garages and basements.
This is great that you came to help me because I wasn't aware of it. I'm sure the people out there aren't aware of the dangers that these chemicals pose to our water quality, human health, and our water treatment systems if disposed of improperly.
The story of sewage treatment plants is that household hazardous waste can poison the microbes and the bacteria that break down the components of the wastewater treatment plant. Mm-hmm. And this undermines the ability of the treatment plant to function properly.
Now, Mark, I've got some a septic system like many of the homeowners in Suffolk County. What's the story there?
The same thing applies to hazardous waste. Should never be added to a septic system because they can kill the bacteria, and then the septic system will not function properly. So, Rory, don't you have a video we can show the viewers on this subject?
Yes, Mark. I produced a video to get a better understanding about groundwater and also about some of the things that we've been talking about here today. We use clean water every day of our lives, from brushing our teeth to washing our faces. Drinking, cooking, cleaning, watering flowers, and crops all use this clear liquid we call water. The French say l'eau est la vie. We say water is life. Where does this water we use on a daily basis come from? Well, here in Suffolk County, rain and melting snow soak into our sandy soils and are trapped in pores, spaces between sand, gravel, and pebbles underground. This water supply in the ground is called an aquifer. All 1.5 million residents of Suffolk County use groundwater as our sole source of fresh water. Water is added to this aquifer by the 44 inches of rain or snowmelt we receive on an average each year. So when it rains, if there are pollutants on the land, the resulting stormwater either carry pollutants into our local surface water bodies as runoff or soak into our groundwater. One such pollutant of concern is nitrogen. Nitrogen from improper fertilizer use, pet waste, wildlife, and septic systems enter both surface water bodies and groundwater. High levels of nitrogen can cause toxic algal blooms that are harmful to our local marine life. Brown tide or red tide algae blooms are harmful to finfish and shellfish. So to help protect local water bodies and groundwater, we all need to do the following. Use water wisely. Don't waste it. Pick up pet waste. Make sure vehicles are not leaking fluids. Keep a septic system working properly and have it pumped regularly. Dispose of hazardous household wastes like pesticides, paints, oils, or chemicals properly. Check with your local town for hazardous waste pickup days. Use lawn pesticides and fertilizers sparingly or not at all, and follow recommended concentration and appropriate time listed on label. And remember, Suffolk County law states that there is no fertilizer use between November 1st and April 1st. The clean water we enjoy today from the aquifer and our local water bodies will need to be just as clean or cleaner for future generations of Long Islanders.
So Rory, I think you need to just check with your town to find out when the next stop program is for hazardous chemicals.
I'll check out the Suffolk County Stormwater website about their local stop programs and check with my town's website or call Town Hall for more information. You ready for watermelon?
I am.
All right, let's do this.
Let's do it. Well, thanks for the watermelon, Rory. It's really important that people in Suffolk County help keep our waters clean by disposing of their hazardous waste properly.
Well, thank you, Mark, for all your knowledge and help on this stormwater issue.
Wow, it really tastes great.
It sure does. I sure do miss the seeds. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you guys soon.
Oh, so juicy.
Okay, that's our podcast for this week. Thanks for watching. If you've been enjoying these shows and want more information on the marine environment and all that the Marine program does, please subscribe to Cornell Marine's YouTube channel and hit that bell for notifications when we post a video. This isn't the only content we do. Our channel is all about the programs and outreach to you. Have a great week and see you next time.